a home, a way to inhabit the horizon. This residence is located in a semi-rural environment, just 5 kilometers from the sea, in a coastal town that has seen significant demographic growth in recent years. The challenge was to design and build a modular single-family house with a mixed construction system. The house unfolds entirely on one level, sheltered by a large horizontal roof that spans the entire program, internally articulated by a series of courtyards that filter, sift, and control the light, as well as the privacy between the different functions of the rooms and the exterior space, generating multiple views of the surrounding natural landscape. The opaque facade, organized by a stone wall that also serves as structural support for the large horizontal roof, is interrupted only to provide access. The house is configured in a series of successive planes that open and close the spaces, creating a path that is slowly discovered, from social areas to private ones. Materially, the house maintains coherence by using a single material throughout the entire exterior perimeter, a wooden cladding combined with a series of fully transparent glass panels facing the landscape. It is this landscape that serves as the catalyst for the proposal, establishing a rigid horizontal line over the plane, with its oblique light traversing the house, creating an infinity of lights and shadows that inhabit each space. house's orthogonality, rationality, and modularity enable a more intelligent, cost-effective, and faster construction, while ensuring the quality of the designed space, providing suitable and harmonious environments, a spectacle created from the order and the simplicity of the human rationality. The furniture was carefully selected to emphasize the natural elements within the home. Earthy and warm tones, combined with soft, ambient lighting, were chosen to infuse the space with a cozy, inviting energy. The stone wall at the front of the facade creates a more private and undisturbed atmosphere within the house.